Squirt trolley sprayer, our cost-effective sprayer made in Asia. It's an easy to pull around sprayer for use in the garden, the yard, the industrial site. It has wide wheels for good stability without leaving tracks on the soft ground. It has a 30-litre tank with a sight tube, 12-volt lead-acid battery to give a 6-hour spraying time, and a trickle charger is included. It has a 3.5 litre per minute pump at 70 psi. 3.5 litre per minute is what we call free flow at 0 psi, and the 70 psi is when you're getting down to just around the 1 litre per minute. It has an adjustable lance, and the adjustable lance means that you can alter the nozzle so that you can go from a fan to a squirt, or you can alter the length of the nozzle and it'll go from about 85 centimeters to 135 centimeters, which will give you a good reach under a plant. So if you want to spray under roses or something that are quite prickly, or if you want to reach up into a tree, a fruit tree or something. The handle is 850, making it very comfortable to pull about. The net weight of 14 kgs will give you a total of 34 kgs if you have 20 litres in it. The Squirt VX trolley sprayer is a sprayer made in Europe. It's the quality you would expect from a product made in Europe, very good for the concerning buyer. This product has a removable battery, as you'd find in a power tool. Being a rechargeable and a lithium-ion battery, it keeps the weight down. It also has a very quick charge time, and if you do find that you need a second battery, it's very easy to remove one and slip the other one in. The spray time for a single battery is about 3 hours, depending on how solid you're running it. The pump is a 2.2 litre pump and 55 psi. Same thing goes as the base squirt, 2.2 litres free flow, 55 psi top end. It has the adjustable lance, again to reach up and under plants, etc. You can also fit a drift guard onto the end of the nozzle if required. The handle height is 950 on this machine, so it's very suitable for tall operators. It's much lighter than the standard squirt at 8.2 kgs. So again, if you're putting 20 litres in it, it's only going to be 28 kgs. So as you can see, being European made, it has a lot of features that put us on that top end of the market. The Marolex backpack, again, European made, very similar to the options and hardware as you'd find in the VX. It has the same pump and battery, being the 2.2 litre per minute 55 psi pump. It has the same adjustable lance with the same options. It's great for long periods of use with a weight of only 6.8 plus the water. It has padded straps and backing with a stomach padded belt to stop the movement when you're walking around with it, so it doesn't move on your back. As the VX, it has a 3-hour spraying time, and the battery has a LED lights to show the state of charge. The battery, as in the VX, is a quick change battery, which is nice and easily removed and swapped over. The options available for these products, again, the drift guard, a 3 or 5 nozzle boom, and we have the spare parts. Marolex hand pressure sprayers. The industry and the hobby are pretty much the same, except the industry has Viton seals for acids, and if you want to check the compatibility of the seals, please contact Goldacres, as we have a compatibility list with chemicals, whether you need the Viton seal or the standard seal, and the hobby has the standard seal. So the industry also has a standard steel adjustable lance, which the reach can be altered from 85 to 135 centimeters, where the hobby has a non-adjustable lance, but with just the adjustable nozzle. The hobby comes in 2 sizes. It comes in the 5 litre and the 9 litre, where the industry comes in the 5, 9 and 12 litre. Both have the same nozzle arrangement, so you can go from fan to squirt. So you can use the fan for close-in work and squirt if you want to get up a fruit tree or something. Now the industry is great for the more demanding tasks such as commercial spraying, garages, car and truck washes, insect control in nurseries, car grooming and that type, because of the stainless steel lance, the Viton seals. The hobby, as it says, it's a hobby machine, so it's great for gardens, home orchards, etc. We also have another one in this range, which is the Movi. Now the Movi is a machine that is 16 litres and it is on wheels as per the squirts, except it has a hand pump up arrangement, the same as the hobby and the industry. It's very, very light, so at 4.5 kgs dry, it's very suitable for using around the garden. Great for a location where you have no power to be able to recharge the battery, but you need that larger tank. Again, the options are the drift guard and the boom. The Master is fitted with Viton seals, so it's good for your acid type chemicals such as sprays, truck washes, those hard applications. You would use it in your workshop, car grooming businesses, car wash, home garden, car shed, etc. Great little unit. The mini sprayer is a good just general purpose sprayer that you'd use around the home or the workshop. Good for putting your penetrating oils. If you've got a couple of roses you want to spray at home, that type of thing. Now the options available for the Marolexes are, you have the drift guard. Now the drift guard slips on and off around the nozzle body, and it can be carried and then just put on and off as required. We have the booms, which are 3 and 5 nozzle booms, and they just screw on to your handpiece. So you unscrew the lance, screw these on, and away you can go and spray your lawns, driveways, etc. We also have as an option an extremely long lance. Now this lance is very good for reaching up fruit trees, insect control on houses if you're spraying for spiders. When it's compressed in and it's short distance, it's only 1.5 meters, but when it's on its extended length, it's actually 3 meters long. So that will reach up top of a 2-storied house if you're doing it for spiders when you put a bit of squirt onto the nozzle adjustment. We also have a great selection of spare parts. We have the seal kits, complete plunger kits for the pressurized sprayers, nozzle kits, fittings, etc.